This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy. Your plans are working right. Your strategies done the work. Because you're the master of the game. The master of the game. Remember, you cannot run faster than your shadow. You are the smartest. You are the sharpest. Know that. Know yawa. But remember. Chukwu wife nina. But remember. Chukwu wife. This is unusual. Run for your life. Run. This is danger. Dangerous. This is unusual. Run. I smell something. This is dangerous.
Go into this car. Go in there, or I'll kill myself for you.
Mom.
Okay. Go in there.
Okay, Mama. Okay.
Baby, Mama, please, can you listen to us, please?
What? What is it? What do you want? Oh, you've come to finish him. Thank your stars that my son is still alive and sound.
Mama.
Go back to where you are coming from.
Mama.
And stay away from my son. Enough. Hold it there. And stay away from my son.
Mama, please, it wasn't intentional, please.
That is what you want.
No, ma.
It's exactly what you want.
No, ma. I can't want that for my baby. I love him.
I cannot be a mother to a useless murderer like you. Stay away from my son, else you will see the wrath of a widow. Enough! You walk again, pin, no chiamoto, kill the whole family. Yes, it's because I hate all. That is what you want, I hate all. Leave my son alone.
Mama, please.
Nonsense.
Go back to your father's house. My brother will not marry you.
I need someone to do what's funny. His mom said I shouldn't come close to him again. What will I do? I like him. I love him so much.
Just get some rest. We will know what to do next, okay?
Oh, I can't rest. I love Sydney. I love him. Mom. What do I do?
Just get some rest.
Sit down, please.
For this embarrassment, henceforth, none of you will be allowed to step out of this compound without my consent.
What?
And you are all grounded indefinitely.
No, Father, you can't do that.
Shut up! And if any of you tries to defy my warnings, you better find yourself a place out there. Because you're not coming back to this house.
But at least, Daddy, someone can visit us, right? Daddy? Mommy, this law cannot hold in this house. You have to talk to Daddy. I have a man that loves me so much and I love him in return. If I'm not allowed to go see him, then he should be allowed to come see me. Please.
Ha! Mom, talk to your husband. That Dadaku messed up doesn't mean we should suffer for her sin. You all should allow me shine my shine in peace. All malam with ketulo. Otherwise, one day, when I go wake up here, say I don't jump fence japa, I go bass leave una. Nothing they happen.
Did you see the way she's talking to me? What
It's
do
okay.
I do?
It's
I want
okay.
to see. So I'm not going to see Sydney.
Of course you will see him. He's not dead.
So how do I settle with him? That said we
Calm
shouldn't
down.
go out. Oh,
Your
you see,
father.
Mommy, if I don't see Sydney again, I'll tear my clothes. I'll go mad in this house. I'll go mad.
Don't go mad yet, oh. Don't go mad yet. Huh?
Mommy, to tell you the truth, I am deeply in love. I am so much in love that if you keep me in this house without seeing my man, I will lose my sanity. And when I lose it, Mommy, it cannot be fixed though. It cannot be fixed.
What is happening to all of you?
Mommy, I'm in love.
The other one is going mad and you're losing your insanity. What do you expect me to do? What?
No, take it easy.
You need to stay strong, my daughter. Okay?
Stop crying. If you should continue like this, you're going to hurt yourself.
I love Sydney. I didn't poison him. You know I can never do such a thing.
I know you didn't do it.
No.
I know you didn't do it. That's the more reason you need to let him go. Let him
I
go.
can't let him go. I can't do that. I cannot. We were meant to end up together. We were meant to end up together. I know Sydney loves me and I love him too. He's just obeying what the mother says he should do. Just listening to the mother.
And to think he will go against his mother's wish and settle with you? Please, forget about him.
Oh my God, no, please don't say that again.
God will bring a nice man your way. Come
I
on.
want Sydney. I want Sydney. God should give me Sydney.
Are you going to force him to marry you?
Stop it. Oh God, oh God, oh God.
I've missed her so much. I've tried calling her, but she's not picking my call. I really need to set my eyes on her.
Maybe you should pay her a visit. Maybe Ada is emotionally down now. Just try and pay her a visit, okay?
You should pay who a visit. Who are you even talking about? Adana, right? If not by his grace, I would have lost my only son. And you are here telling him to go and pay her a visit. Nah, I am not going to sit here and watch that witch take my son away from me. I am going down to the village and bring down my eyes and select nurtured wife for you. As for Dak, cancelled.
Mama, the food is ready.
Okay. This is food for you and your friend. Sit and take that witch. I want to destroy your life.
Thank you, Mama.
So, what did you say that is going on?
You heard me. We are under house arrest.
Is that a way of you trying to tell me that you're not coming over this very weekend?
Oh, please. Better knock that thought off your head. We are grounded indefinitely.
So, what's going on now?
It's a long story, honestly.
But at least I can come and see you, right?
Yes, but you have to wait for now. I mean, this whole dust needs to settle. Okay?
I can see your dad is a very tough man.
Very, very.
Well, maybe I think I will be going somewhere to hang out, have 1 or 2 bottles.
Oh, don't do that to me. Is it because you know I can't live here now?
Hey, listen.
Once you see anyone passing, shut your eyes. Am I well understood?
Honey, you are always welcome to join me anytime, any day.
Don't worry. I'll see you later, okay?
Oh, yes, Your Majesty.
Right, be good.
Bye, love.
Ciao. Oh.
Everybody na-agbara ndị ga-agụ. Everybody mara mma, ị mara mma, n'ime ebube na-enwe ya. Oke ebube, ọma mma mụ na mụ. Asị na ị were ebe jere, ama m na ị nwere ndị ndịrị.
Now start talking. What did you put in those things you gave me? Talk! I can't hear you.
I will talk.
3 cubes of Maggi.
Very, very important.
3 cups of rice.
That is where the problem is. If you miss one seed of rice from that 3 cups, it's going to affect the market.
Are you sure about this?
Hey. See, Mama Mienki, there are things you doubt about me. Go to Obanko. If you go to Obanko, ask people like Okito, Udogune Pempe. I cooked for them. In fact, Irichina Mechaka. See, let me tell you, once you cook these things this way that I just gave it to you, add the right ingredients. After they are done eating, they will come and ask you, Mama Mienki, please, did you study food and nutrition?
Let's shut up. Let me see.
Look at it. Just put them at the right time.
Which one is this? What is it? What does this one do?
This one is the most important one. Hold it like this. Raise it up. Bring it up.
Talk.
Add this one. Put all of them inside the rice.
All of it?
Cook. Hey, put all of them. Cook the rice for them. After eating, they will be the one to come and ask you, did you go to Cambridge?
Nah, shut up. As if you went to school. Did you even go to school at all? See, come here. Come here. Do you want to kiss me?
You can't.
Come. See, this thing better work. Do you understand?
Hello.
I'm not joking with you. Let this thing work.
Mama Mianki, clear your doubt. Like, you don't know me. Go to our uncle. Ask Okito. Ask Odogune Pempe. They will tell you I'm the person that used to cook for them.
Enough. You cook for them with this rubbish you've been cooking for us. You know how to cook. Before you start feeling like something else. So, how is your mother doing?
That one? Her life is the hands of God, though. I don't even know what the doctor is saying about her life. I'm not gonna catch you.
Okay, fine. I'll give you some money before I leave, okay? What's wrong with you?
Sense of joy.
Shut up. Now get out. Get out before someone sees you here.
Okay. It's just normal spices that we normally use to cook. That is all.
Normal spices. Then what happened to Sydney? Because I made a meal with those ingredients you gave me and he ate it. Almost died after eating it.
Hey! Did you vomit blood?
What? Are you crazy? Are you stupid?
Hey!
Get out! And hey, we are not done talking about this. Do you understand? This conversation is not over. Get out!
Remember, you cannot run faster.
Where did the voice come from? I can't hear the voice, is so good.
You are the sharpest. No that. No yawa. But remember. You go with any night, but remember. You go with her.
Hey, my baby, I have not made any concussion. I promise you, if you taste this food and you don't like it, kill me. It's very prepared, I like it.
I know you. I I might be a bad cook. So, but I want to just see how you're going to disgrace yourself right now. Can you shut my door, please? Open the food.
No. It's a surprise. Go on.
I just told you to open it. Open it!
Okay.
I'm not in the mood for that.
Tana!
Wow. It actually looks good. I hope you still have some because I'm expecting some visitors today.
No, baby, please. Can you concentrate on me? What kind of visitors?
Oh, you're not aware that my tutors are coming today?
Mommy, I'm happy for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hey!
This is really nice.
Thank you, mention it.
You have never prepared something as nice as this.
Oh no, Chupu, how many is she? It's God. Oh, Chupu. Because it touches our hearts, we put ingredients.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir. Any day that you see the ones that are not good, it's devil that touched us, we put it. God is at work in this particular one. Hey!
Thank you. I like it.
Yeah, mention it. You don't know me, you're looking down on me. See, back then in Finland fell. Yes. When the minister came back from war with his uniform Nigerian, I was the person that prepared the meal all of them ate. Okay, why don't we try something like cockroach?
Cockroach?
No. Come here.
What is wrong with you? Look at how you're sweating. Are you okay?
Oh, as I was saying, let's try something like croaker fish. Yes, with a touch of Irish potato. Very important. Mbarishi must come to visit.
What?
Mbarishi. Those fish normally have 3 things this side, 2 this side. Like equal so the things will do.
Oh God.
Yes.
You know what? I'm okay with the food. You can now go.
It doesn't stop there. By the side of the fish, then we can throw something like raw maggi. If you cut fish, you cut from Irish potato, you take 1 maggi, meaning like after eating the raw maggi, you will go to toilet. There's no two ways about it.
Why are you mentioning toilet when I'm eating? Are you okay? Have you lost it? I said I am okay with the food. Can you just get out?
Can I taste it if you don't actually trust the food?
Who told you I don't trust it? Go. Thank you.
All right. If you're eating fish, don't go from the top. You miss the...
It seems you do not want this food to digest. You don't want me to eat this food well, right?
Sorry.
Please go. Shut my door. Shut the door. Are you okay?
Don't cut the Irish potato.
For the very first time in his life, he has prepared something really, really nice. I must really commend him for this one. Nice.
Should I come and carry the plate?
Oh!
You want me to leave the coffee I placed on your daughters, right?
Not exactly. Isn't he expecting some visitors today?
But I never said people will not come to visit them. They are not supposed to step out of the compound. Period.
I know, but...
No.
Darling, please. Allow her the freedom at least to see them off when they are leaving.
Till then. By the way, who are these visitors that are coming to see her?
She said he is her suitor.
Good.
Thank you. Thanks, darling. But at least wear a little smile on your face so you don't scare him away with ire figure. People.
Ghana Pepe. See, let me tell you, you will break, you will change. See, food is ready. Can I bring you food to eat?
I'm not hungry.
Hello, can you concentrate on me? Let me get you food. You have not eaten since.
Out.
Silence. If that should be the case, let me get you something like kulibula and cucumber so that you can...
I said get out!
What is it? You shouldn't be having this kind of face today. What happens to be the problem?
Remember, you cannot run faster than your shadow. You are the smartest, you are the sharpest. No doubts, no yawa. But remember, Chukwu Ifanina. But remember, Chukwu Ife. You are out for this fight.
That's my charming. Honey. Oh, good to see you. Thank you, Uncle. That's no problem. It's okay.
Quickly, there's something to clean him up.
There's something is getting
There's something to clean him up.
It's okay.
Are you still there?
It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
What's wrong with you?
You know how it is. First trimester. She's pregnant. It's a pregnancy.
Pregnant?
My friend is not pregnant.
Are you okay? Is she your sister? I mean, do you realize that I am her elder sister? Adanne. And you're telling me my sister is not pregnant? Moreover, we're expecting her husband to be because she's pregnant. And I thought that's why you and your boyfriend came here today. Oh, no, welcome.
He is not my boyfriend. He is her suitor. And we came here for the introduction.
Her husband to be. Then how come you didn't know she's pregnant?
I have not touched her before.
Oh, hold on. You've not touched her before. Okay, cool down. Calm down. Let me find out what's going on.
Mabel.
See, that's not true. Trust me, maybe it's the smell of your perfume.
What kind of smell? What kind of smell you telling me about?
Her own, like
she's pregnant. I have not touched her before.
Let me ask the man. Sir, can you concentrate on me?
Yeah.
As your fellow man, are you sure you have not done anything he only would do?
Why are you okay? What kind of statement is that?
I'm on there.
Wait.
Uncle Bamoto. Hey! I'm good. Uncle Bamoto.
Wait now. Waiting is not pregnant now.
Uncle, it's okay. Uncle Bamoto. If you're not going with me, don't happen. Have we touched her before?
This would have been a shout of joy.
Maybe the perfume you had on told her off. Maybe it's the perfume. Just wait, let them open the door. Open now so that you won't leave me here. Calm down.
Can you make use of that?
Your plans are working. Your strategy's done the work. Because you're the master of the game. Oh, the master of the game. Remember, you cannot run faster than your shadow. You are the smartest,
Ezinne! Oh my God, Ezinne! Are you okay? Are you sure you're not having malaria? Let me call our family doctor to come take care of you.
I feel very dizzy. But don't worry, I'm fine.
You're not fine. Isn't it? You're not fine. Relax, let me go and tell your visitors that you should join them.
No, I need to see them. Mommy.
I insist you stay back.
I insist I see them. I need to.
Isn't it?
Mommy.
Out for this fight, out for this war. Out for this war. Shabby, we're out for this war. What is it going waiting for this fight? Hustle and baby.
Mommy, you are not going anywhere.
Mommy, I need to see my man right now.
You have to rest first. You're not feeling fine.
I need.
Oh my God. Isn't it? Isn't it? Somebody help me! Isn't it? Who's there? Somebody help me!
Your plans are working right.
Isn't it? Isn't it?
Your strategy's done the work. Because you're the master of the game.
Chief Ibem, Ogalayangada, those landed properties I acquired, I am definitely going to invest on them because I know I am going to yield so much dividend out of it. Yes. Yes.
Darling.
What is it?
He's in there. Let's take her to the hospital.
How do you mean?
She's not moving. Please come, let's take her to the hospital.
Okay, I'll be with you.
Please hurry up. One boy.
Let's go.
Come here, my friend. What's wrong with you? Huh? This thing is getting out of hand. She has collapsed. What do we do?
Hey, fainted.
Yes.
Hey, but this one you are saying, what do we do? Am I the putter? Are you not the putter? Oh, get you.
Oh boy. What do we do, my friend?
Confess.
Confess to what?
Confess this particular crime so that they will know how to treat her.
My friend, shut up. Which crime? You and who did crime? Tell me what we do. What we can do. Were you not the one that gave me something to put in her food?
Did you? I gave you something to put in her food. Did we discuss on the level she's going to eat it?
Oh boy, why are you crazy? Why are you mad? Be serious. What do we do? What's the remedy? At least you gave me something. You should have remedy for it now.
Like she's vomiting?
Yes.
Vomiting therapy, vomiting. But it depends though, because the vomiting I've witnessed, it depends whether she's going by
Oh boy, are you crazy? Are you mad? Do I look like I came here to make jokes? Eh?
I have a plan.
My friend, talk to me. What do we do?
Water.
Water?
Yes.
What am I supposed to do with water?
Get water, sprinkle it on her face, she will be fine.
Okay. Is it cold or hot water? Which one? Warm or cold? Which one?
Warm water is better. Hot one, preferably hot one.
How can you sprinkle hot water on somebody that has fainted? My friend, use your head.
Automatic.
I said she has fainted. How can I pour hot water on her? Do I want to kill her?
Then let's try cold water.
Try. Are you sure it's not warm water or cold water?
Because you're the one confusing me. Let's try cold one.
Okay, fine. Go and get water. Quickly go and get water. My friend, go and get water if I slap the... Are you not the one that said cold water? Go to the fridge and get something cold.
But depending the amount she ate before she collapsed.
Oh, you're getting me angry. Go and get water if I kill you. What kind of stupid fool is this? Did you even suck your mother's breast?
But remember,
This fool. Said small. Isn't it? Oh boy. Isn't it? Please don't do this to me. But boy. Quick. No, wait. Hold on. I thought you said cold water.
Yes, Mention Nazulo, who not but mention.
What are you talking?
I went through the backyard, it's locked. I went through the frontage, I saw hot water, I brought it.
Are you mad?
Let's take her to the hospital.
Water, man.
Water, Guinea. Let's take her to the hospital.
Water will do this job.
Mom, wait, hold on. Let's try water first. Come closer, stupid boy. Okay, get food.
Whoa.
Checkwas can wait. Checkwas, relax. You just wait. What is wrong with you? Checkwas, wait. Checkwas, get better.
This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy.
Honestly, I swear with everything, I've not done anything with her. I've not done anything with her. Not even once.
Then how is that possible? She's pregnant.
Mabel confirmed it. Mabel confirmed it. We saw her. She ran inside and she locked us out.
Hey, this is not.
I can't believe.
This is not Ezine. No, it's not my Ezine. Something is definitely wrong. I believe that. I know so. Something is wrong.
I seriously don't know what. I seriously don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, man.
Hey.
Hey, Chekwe, just sit down and calm down, eh?
I should calm down. I should calm down on some situation like this. She's pregnant. Are you not getting the point? She's pregnant. I've not even had any intercourse with her before. I've not touched her. Not even one, not even by mistake. I meant to be a naga before. How can she embarrass me in front of my uncle like that? Eh? Have I done her wrong like that before? Yeah.
Your plans are working right. Your strategy's done the work. Because you're the master of the game.
What are you up to? How did you come about the fact that your sister is pregnant? And why did you tell your sister's sister that she's pregnant? What do you stand to gain? You were supposed to be the oldest one amongst my daughters, and your duty is to protect and guide them. Rather, you cause them pain every day.
Dad, I didn't know. I was only trying to help. I came down and I saw that she threw up on him. I even thought the guy was Mabel's husband. I didn't know he was the suitor.
So when did that become a standard in medical field that a woman throwing up is a sign of pregnancy?
Dad, what do you want me to think? She's been like that for days.
Please, doctor, don't conclude when you see people do stuff like that.
Okay, fine, I'm sorry. Oh, you can call him up and explain to him that she's not pregnant. It's not late.
Get out of my sight.
But Dad, it's...
I said get out of my face now. Get out! What kind of a girl is this? Every time all you think of is evil things against your sister. Huh? Are you not supposed to lead by example?
Why does he refuse to pick my calls now? Why?
Isn't it you have to give him time? Yes, he's heartbroken and frustrated. I mean, we were all terrified.
But I haven't done anything wrong. All I wanted is just to be happy. Who has sworn never to see me smile? What have I done wrong?
The same person who sent Chekwa's text message warning him to keep up from his pregnant girlfriend. Isn't I have told you. Whoever is doing this is an enemy within and is capable of killing you. Remember what I told you when you told me about your father's 50th birthday wish? I shuddered at it. I'm thinking about it now. It is obvious that is the genesis of your problem.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey!
Happy
birthday,
happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you, my lovely, beautiful daughter. And my lovely wife.
Yeah.
Can I just blow off the light?
Of course. Okay, Daddy, make a wish.
Yes, make a wish, Daddy.
Make a wish.
I should make a wish?
Yes.
Very well then. The three of you, my beautiful daughters, have come of age and are ready and ripe for marriage. Well, I will not blame God for not blessing us with a male child. His wishes is always the best.
Yes.
But I want this family to grow, expand and prosper. On that note, I want to say that any of you, my three daughters, that will be the first to get married, I will bequeath half of my wealth to you and your husband.
Isn't it? But why did your father make such a declaration?
I guess he's trying to let us know that he's tired of seeing us in his house.
Isn't it you do not even have a serious date? So it is very obvious that you do not stand any chance of winning at all.
Who cares? I mean, do I look like I care? My dear, I don't give a damn. I know my man will come, and when he eventually does, I will settle down.
I feel you get to start competing. Yes, obviously for the money.
No. You think so?
I think so. So it's better for us to start arranging one man for you now.
You're not serious. Are you okay?
You don't even have a serious date.
No, do you have? No, who said who is talking? Do you have a man? Come to think of it, I've not seen you with a man in a long while. Are you sure you're straight? Hey, answer that question. Are you straight? Are you straight?
Wait, just wait. Don't tell me that my blood sisters could be behind this.
What do you think? You need the money. They need it as well.
But I've never been desperate to get married. I've never. It's not possible.
It is possible. This is marriage war. Isn't it you have to stand up and fight?
Fight? No, tell me, why wouldn't they fight? You shouldn't have made that pronouncement. Your daughters are now trying to kill each other all because of that money.
Why are you speaking and sounding this way? My daughters cannot possibly try to kill each other because of my money. I never raised them up to be that way.
What do you think is responsible? What is that calamity that strikes them whenever they are close to getting married? Why is it that none of them has been able to get married up till now?
Because their mother has failed in her duties to raise them up accordingly. Now she wants to use some kind of flimsy excuse to cover up for her failure and laxity, and also her daughter's irresponsibilities. Olama, to be a mother is not a day's job. It takes a lot.
Your plans are working right. Your strategies done the work. Because you're the master of the game. The master of the game. Remember, you cannot run faster than your shadow. You are the smartest, you are the sharpest. Know that, know your wow. But remember, you go with any name. But remember, you go with her.
Now this number you gave me the other time, I want to confirm something.
Wait. It was this same number that sent a message to Chap as my man and told him to stay away from his pregnant girlfriend. Wait a minute. My goodness. This is Bomboy's number. Bomboy's number. What is really going on? Bomboy's number.
You're welcome.
You know, you're a very funny guy.
Thank you.
You actually missed your call. You should have been a comedian. Let me have that.
I'm sorry, you never see.
Let me have that secret.
Is it lighted or not lighted? I'm sorry.
Let me have your phone. Dial this number for me.
What?
080 69 98 40 28.
Which network is this? I don't have enough airtime. Sorry. Can I continue?
Hello, sir.
Hello, who is this?
Sir, this is Ezinne Okechukwu, the lady that. We are fine, sir. He's fine. Everybody's okay. I'm just trying to get back on my feet, recover from what happened. Sir, please, I'm actually calling in respect of the investigation that you are doing right now. Sir, I would like you to call it off. Yes, sir. Sir, it's the thing is, I'm trying so hard to forget what happened and move on. So, same thing with my husband to be. We're all trying to move on, and each time someone talks about what happened, it triggers me and take me back to ground zero of my recovery. So, I will like you to call it off, sir, please. Sir, there will be no need for that. Just close the investigation, please. I really appreciate what you guys are doing. You are really serving the nation. Thank you so much. God bless you. Okay, sir, no problem. Thank you. What's funny?
You confuse me. Are you done?
Now listen. On no account should you answer any call that comes from my sister to this phone. Do you understand? Or any number you don't know, do not pick it up. Am I clear? Now, what did I say?
On no account will you pick any
I
number.
said you. This is your phone.
Okay.
So do not pick any call that comes from my sisters, any of my sisters. Or should you pick any call you don't know? Do you understand? And I don't want to hear a word of what happened here. I'll kill you. Now take. Make sure this phone is permanently on silent. Do you understand? If this phone rings, you die.
Cheers.
Your plans are working right. Your strategies done the work. Because you're the master of the game. The master of the game. Remember, you cannot run faster than your shadow. You are the smartest, you are the sharpest. Know that, know your but remember, Chukwu with any name, but remember, Chukwu with a.
So it's been you all along? No, sis. It's been Adaku all this while. And this bag of shit here. But thank God I paid her back in her own coin.
How do you mean exactly?
Bomboy, don't throw it away if you dare. What I will do to you. Come with that secret. Come with it. Hey. So you smoke? So you have been smoking in this house, Bomboy? You know, if my father finds out that you smoke, he will do something drastic to you. Are you aware?
Sorry.
Anyways, I can save you. That's if you do what I want.
Let me just throw it.
Listen to me. Stop misbehaving.
Spoke.
I saw you with Adaku earlier on. What were you both discussing?
With who again?
Listen, henceforth, anything Adako does in this house, you must let me know. Do you understand? I'm not joking with you. Hold on. See, I have your picture. Any day you don't give me details of Adako, I will show this picture to my father. And I will make your leaving this house faster for you. You will go back to the village.
Is that just what you want? I have something to tell you already. Do you know that Adako... I'm done smoking. No. This thing will finally put me into trouble. I cannot smoke again. What have I gotten myself into? They say this thing kills faster, yet somebody will still be smoking. No, I'm done. No. They don't catch me already. Edge the brain. Can't message up on car. Things to use for 3 cups of rice. 3 cups of... Put 6 cups of water because it's 3 cups of rice. Maggi, 6 cups, 1 Maggi for 1 cup of rice. Extra 7 cubes of Maggi. Pepper. I don't know if your boyfriend has ulcer. No, you don't need to put much pepper. Then you put 6 to 7 teaspoons of Ghana pepper. Then you add maybe mkpurose itozi, just on pepper.
What's going on here?
I'm circulating news for... She needs my help.
Who is she?
Adako. She wants to cook for her boyfriend and she said I should help her teach her how to cook and write down the spices for her.
Interesting. The blind leading the blind. A minute.
Olive oil. Spray 16 times because it's jollof rice. Spray 16 times. Okay.
Add this to these spices. Give it to Adako. It will make the food very delicious.
Are you serious? That means I don't need to use all. I will share it into 2, give her half, and use the other half to cook for you people in the house.
No. Give everything to Adako. In fact, mix it with the spices now. Go ahead, do it here and now.
Let me just give it to her.
I said mix it for me, now. If you don't do it, I will report to my parents that I saw you smoking.
Is it just this spice you want me to add? You don't have another thing? Consider it done.
Forget about the smell. It's very effective. It will make the food delicious. Oh yeah, do it.
Yes, good things don't carry you.
7 cubes of Maggi.
Very, very important.
3 cups of rice.
That is where the problem is. If you miss 1 seed of rice from that 3 cups, it's going to affect the market.
Are you sure about this?
See, Mama Mienki, there are things you doubt about me. Go to Obanko. If you go to Obanko, ask people like Okito, Udugune Pempe. I cooked for them. In fact, Irichina Mechaka. See, let me tell you, once you cook these things this way that I just gave it to you, add the right ingredients. After they are done eating, they will come and ask you, Mama Mienki, please, did you study food and nutrition?
Let's shut up. Let me see.
Look at it. Just put them at the right time.
Which one is this? What does this one do?
This one is the most important one. Hold it like this. Raise it up. Bring it up.
Talk.
Add this one. Put all of them inside the rice.
All of it?
Cook. Hey, put all of them. Cook the rice for them. After eating, they will be the one to come and ask you, did you go to Cambridge?
Shut up. As if you went to school. Did you even go to school at all? See, come here. Come here. Do you want to kiss me?
You can't.
Come. See, this thing better work. Do you understand?
Hello.
I'm not joking with you. Let this thing work.
Mama Mianki, clear your doubt. Like, you don't know me. Go to our uncle. Ask Okito. Ask Odogune Pempe. They will tell you I'm the person that used to cook for them.
Enough. You cook for them with this rubbish you've been cooking for us. You know how to cook. Before you start feeling like something else. So, how is your mother doing?
That one? Her life is the hands of God, though. I don't even know what the doctor is saying about her life. I'm not gonna catch you.
Okay, fine. I'll give you some money before I leave, okay? What's wrong with you?
Sense of joy!
Shut up! Now get out. Get out before someone sees you here.
Okay.
Oh my God. Even you?
Oh, please, don't try to even play a saint here. Swear that all your efforts at getting a man is not targeted towards getting our father's money.
Sister!
Brother!
How could you even say such a thing? How could you?
Oh, please spare me these crocodile tears. Listen, this game just got more interesting. New strategies loading.
This must... Shut up your mouth! So you could do anything like this to this family? You! Shut up your mouth! Come on, please, I need us to talk. Ezinne. Where is this girl? Could she be outside? Ezinne.
I knew it has been you all along. Well, newsflash. You don't cast. You don't bust. Breeze don't blow. Fawoyansh don't open. Just know that the war you started with full force just began with full alacrity.
Idiot. First of all, what nonsense are you talking about? I mean, Obiom, are you crazy? Have you gone mad? Do you realize you're talking to your elder sister?
Elder sister, my foot! One more word from you, I will forget you surrendered our mother's breast to me. Try me!
Wait. Wait, hold on. There's nobody here. Oh, there's nobody in this house. Hold on. So, Obioma, all those things you just said now, you were talking to me.
No! I was talking to your ancestors. Of course it's you! Do your worst! Idiot!
What? Give you that. Who is idiot? I will tell you that I gave you and gave my mother breast. You want to fight? You want to fight your elder sister? I will tell you I'm your mother. I am your mother. You want to fight? Listen there. You want to listen there? Listen my daughter. Listen, you give my daughter for me. Look at my daughter. What is it? You give my daughter for me. I will teach you a lesson. I will tell you that a child that wants to carry his father up will be ready to get this because your children are your children. I will teach you a lesson.
Mama. No, you caused it. You caused it. You caused it.
I'll tell you that. Fight it and you see it.
Hey. Are you alright? You could be hit by the car. Hi. Hi. I think we should help her.
Help her? Do you know who she is?
Well, that is what makes it worth it. Giving help to people who we do not know. People who just cannot repay us back.
Really? What if she's one of these mad women roaming around?
Oh, come on. What if she's a distressed woman in their need? Huh?
No.
I'll be right back.
Brother, it's not safe! It's not...
Can you two stop this nonsense? How can you two be doing this to yourselves? Eh? You have to stop it so peace can reign in this house. Sometimes I begin to wonder if I actually gave birth to the two of you. What is all this?
Mom, please, I am not ready for this sermon. I am not in the mood for this sermon. What are we even talking about? I mean, let's call a spade a spade. Am I not the first daughter in this house? Are my younger sisters not supposed to wait for me to get married before they start thinking of dating anyone?
Really? You must be sick upstairs. So we should wait for you to start growing grey hairs before we start making moves for our own lives.
Obioma, if I were you, I will watch what comes out of my mouth next. Because you don't want to see me explode. Mom, you're here now. You're here watching her insult me. Ask her if her name is younger sister.
Well, you mentioned younger sisters and I'm one of them. Unfortunately, you have failed woefully to get a man to marry you. I mean, I don't even know why all the men have refused to look at your ugly face. But newsflash, I will not pause my life to fix yours. Never!
This is okay, Choco. Did you see your daughter insult me?
You are here and you sit, watch your daughter insult me and you're not saying anything. Oh, please sit. Sit your butt there. Okay. What has come over you? What is it? See, let me tell you. You must stop this or you lose your mother. And if you do, your father will denounce that promise. What is this? No, he will not. Not while I am still alive. He will not denounce it. He will not denounce it. Not when it is my right and my birthright. This is my inheritance. It is my possession and I will possess it. And then if I deem it fit, I can share it with whoever I want to share it with. That's if I feel like. I am the Ada. Nobody will take my possession. Try me and see.
We shall see to that. Ada of the family. First daughter, my my left ass.
No, both your right ass. I am taking over the asses. I am taking over both asses. Stupid fool. I get the whole picture clear now because it's been written on the wall and I couldn't see it boldly. So because you had me outside wedlock, you now felt you could connive with your daughters, the ones you had within wedlock or whatever it is. Because you felt those were the daughters. So you are not even your first daughter. Now you connive with them to take what belongs to me, my own birthright. Well, let me shock you, Mrs. Margaret Olama Ukechukwu. You are my mother. I am your blood, your flesh, and your bones. And I know you as a very strong woman, and let me shock you, I am even stronger than you. And I will not allow anyone stand in the way of my possession. This is my birthright, and no one is taking it from me. Because if anyone dares me, Mrs. Okechukwu, I will kill them. And I am starting from your daughter. Come back here! No. What is happening to me? Hanako actually wants to kill her sisters. Because of wealth? No.
I'm the person. It's not my fault. I'm just a person in the house of your daughters.
So you are the brain behind all the things that's been happening in my house?
I'm not the brain. I'm just the person. Your daughters are the brain drawing me. I'm sorry.
Oh, son, you're looking too good.
Thank you very much, Mother.
How have you been?
Thank you very much, Mother. How have you been?
I am fine.
Greetings, my friends.
Oh, greetings, everyone.
Okay, I know from henceforth nobody will remember I exist in this house.
Someone is jealous.
She should not be. After all, she has been the one in this house, enjoying the benefits of being alone all these years.
Oh, really?
Well, very soon I'll leave you people and go back to my school.
Hey, come on.
Greetings, my friends.
Greetings.
Come on, son. We have a lot to talk inside. Who is she?
Mother. You see, she is a stranded woman I saw on my way back.
I told him to let her be, but he refused. Son?
Mother. She's someone's daughter. I think she's suffering from a psychological trauma, and I will examine her shortly and help her find her roots. Yes.
God.
Where's my princess?
Get a prince bag.
Take you inside and help you maybe put things together. Okay? Good. Let's go. Let's go inside. Okay?
Come. So, darling, when did you come?
Good to see you, Machi.
Yes, good to see you.
How are you doing?
I'm good, I'm fine.
You're looking good.
Yeah, you too.
How do you mean she's not in her room? Where then is she?
I don't know.
You're happy now? Tell me you are happy now, right?
What is that supposed to mean? Enough of these blames. They are your daughters as much as they are mine. You set up this story end. You started it all. So don't blame me for your own thoughtlessness.
If she doesn't return in 2 days, I'll lock you and your daughters up. Put you in jail till she's found. You know I don't go back on my words. Because my word is my bond.
You were calling me, but I didn't hear what you were saying on the phone.
You see, I knew something was wrong, but you wouldn't listen. You judged her too quickly.
Wait, are you blaming me for this? No. Are you blaming me for this? Everything played out so real. I reacted the way every man would. You don't have to blame me for this.
I know. So now you know the truth. You have to make things right.
How?
She's been calling you. Chikwe, speak her call. My friend is depressed.
Listen. I love Ezine. I love Ezine with all my heart. But this news of twist, I'm not sure I'm going to be committed to her. Honestly speaking, if our sisters could go this far to see that she doesn't get married before them, I won't be surprised someday they will call me and tell me they killed someone. See, Chikwes, I'm not ready to die. No, I'm not ready to die. Romeo and Juliet is a work of fiction, okay?
Chikwes?
Yeah?
Chikwes, are you trying to tell me that you want to dump my friend? Like you want to give up on her so easily?
Hey, don't push this. Don't push this. See, I am not ready to take risk. Are you not getting it? I'm not ready to take risk.
Chikwes, if you ever loved my friend, now is the time to show it.
See, I just need time. Please, I just need time to do things well. That's all I'm asking for.
Chikwes.
Please.
I want to know who is behind this.
What is your name?
My name. Look, you have to help me to help you. But if you will not, I will not hesitate to throw you from wherever they picked you from.
Oh, come on, mother. Take it easy now. She's just traumatized.
Son, your coming back is a crucial one. You need to concentrate on the mission ahead.
Well, mother, I'm fully concentrated. And you know that.
Until you become king, Obieze, I am still very much in charge of their affairs in this kingdom.
Hey, please, do not mind my mother. She's only being paranoid. Okay? Good. Drink. Are you okay? You sure? So, tell me, what is your name?
Ezinne.
Ezinne. Wow. Now that is a very beautiful name. Where are you from?
Ameke.
The same Ameke. Do you know who I am? Well, I'll tell you. My name is Obieze. I'm the heir to the throne of this kingdom. I'm a medical doctor by profession. I'm actually practicing abroad. I was forced to return after my father passed, so I could come fill the void. You know the story, I guess. So tell me, what happened to you?
The master of the day. Remember, you cannot run faster than your shadow. You are the smartest, you are the sharpest. Know that, know your wow. But remember, you go with any name. But remember.
This is how it's going to be now, right? You sit here, smoking and drinking yourself out while Mama is dying in the hospital. How can you even lose your job at this point? How could you let your carelessness affect your job? You know how things are right now. You know how rough things are. So you have nothing to say, right? You know, this is the best you can do. Say something to me. Mama is dying. If anything happens to Mama, Papa, if anything happens to Mama, if anything happens to Mama.
you don't understand how I'm feeling. My mother is dying. I need help. Hello, can you concentrate on me? Remember you promised to help me.
Are you mad? So this is why you called me out? To tell me this trash? You even have a lot of nerves to show your face around this house. Have you forgotten what my father said? He said if he sees you around this house, he will kill you. You know him very well. You know old soldier very well. He's not joking, no.
Hello?
He's not joking, no.
Hello? Ha. Why are you talking like this? Huh? This is your father that you're talking about. The same person that sacked me without salary. 2 months.
Serves you right.
It's not fair, oh. It's not fair.
Look at who is talking about fairness. When you were busy playing double games with me and my sisters, you didn't know it's not fair. When you were leaking my secrets out to my sisters, you didn't know it's not fair. Stupid man. Was I not giving you money before to take care of your mother before? It's when I found out that you're a very stupid man now. Why would I be spending my hard-earned money on an idiot like you?
Hello? So now you're blaming me? Eh? Don't you know my condition? I'm just a pencil in the hands of your sister. They use me anyhow they want. I would have made the shitting here. Huh? You even made me almost an accomplice to a murder which you nearly committed.
Are you mad? Who committed what? Hey! Don't you ever mention my name anywhere. Do I even know you? Who committed what? Mention my name together with murder in a sentence. I'll kill you before my father does that. Idiot.
Come, let's
If you keep talking, I will slap you again. Try it. Idiot. Attempted what?
This thing you are doing is not okay. Nobody knows tomorrow. Your mother will still be in the hospital.
Your tomorrow is already useless. Where are you from? Are you crazy? Your tomorrow is already finished.
My tomorrow cannot be...
Come on, get up.
Why do you need to get up?
Get up of here. Are you
mad?
You need
refuge.
See, if you know what is good for you, get out of this place.
Follow your way. Let me
Dad,
follow my way.
good afternoon, sir.
What are you doing here? What are you doing with this habitual criminal?
Chief, I'm not an habitual.
Bloody civilian!
Daddy, I was actually trying to throw dustbin away. Then
It's a lie.
I saw this fool loitering around our premises. Hi. So I came to warn. Was he not warning? I
told you to come out. Let's see. Am I not the caller?
Now, get your butt in the car.
Chief, concentrate on me. I need help. My mother is in the hospital. Hello?
Next time I see you 10 inches close to my family, I will waste your life with 1 bullet. Bloody civilian.
Chief, it's not fair. My mother is in the hospital. Chief, concentrate on me. Give me a baby who can run. You used and dumped me like an ordinary sanitary pad. Hey. Nobody will use me and dump me. Or why they use them dump instead? Miriagezo. Also, I money opener. Chief! Mama Mianki. Mama Siso. Salense. Okay, Reggie.
Greetings. The lady in the guest room, she's going through some traumatic issues. I do not want anyone bothering her. Now I'm putting the two of you in charge. Make sure she feeds well. And make sure she's well taken care of. Am I understood?
Yes, my prince.
Very good. Go on with your duties.
Who is the lady and why is she here?
Do I know? The order is take care of her. So just close your mouth so you know put yourself in trouble.
Playing with my emotions, with my heart. Whatever you do, remember, unknown comment. Yeah, everywhere, looking at you like a mirror. Uninvited, then go show.
Why do I need this information for?
What? Checkways? Checkways, don't tell me you are this heartless.
The sister and the father should know her whereabouts. Maybe she might have gone somewhere to look for a man that will get married to her so that she can inherit the whole wealth.
Really? Checkways, so this is what you have to say?
See, I'm not in for blame games today. She will be fine wherever she is. That's the truth.
I am disappointed in you. Now I know better. To think that all this while I thought you were my best friend. Rubbish.
See, I'm not... Mabel. Mabel.
I want to know who is behind it.
Jonas. She couldn't have left the city to the village or anywhere. All you have to do is intensify your search. I don't want anything to happen to my daughter. Please let your best be good enough this time. Whatever you have to do to make sure you bring back my daughter, do it. I don't care how much it will cost. I want my daughter back. Thank you.
What's going on?
How do you mean?
Your brother. He's not even looking my way.
Don't you think you're rather too quick?
Too quick, you say? When the queen has not even done the proper introduction. I'm getting worried.
Helen, calm down. Maybe he's still trying to get acquainted with things around here. One thing at a time, baby girl.
I think I'd rather talk to the queen. You're not helpful.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings.
My prince is about the stranger.
How many times have I told you her name is Ezine and not stranger?
I'm sorry, my prince.
Very well. What about her?
She's fine, but she keeps asking me to let her leave.
Leave.
Yes, my prince.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, my prince. Every time I go to give her food, she keeps telling me to find a way for her to live here, that she doesn't belong here.
Very well, I'll take care of this. It's on the way.
Yeah.
Yep. I heard you want to leave. Listen, I know you do not know exactly what you want at this point. I understand your pain. But I want you to know that running will not stop it. You might run into more heartbreaks. So if you ask me, I will advise you, you stay back here and heal. I'm sure when you get fine, we can find a way to get you back home. Very well then. Very well then. You can leave if you want to leave. I guess I have no hold on you now. I was on my way out. So what do you want me to get for you? It's alright. Everything is going to be fine, I promise. Okay? It's alright.
Son, what are you doing? Why are you frolicking around with that daughter of a nobody?
I totally disagree with you, mother. She's not a nobody. She's a human being like you and I. Mother, she deserves love and protection. We should always strive to be the reason why someone smiles every day. The reason why someone feels loved every day. Kindness, mother, is the best form of humanity. You four people should know that.
Is that what they taught you at the UK? Look, let me tell you. I will not watch you derail from the purpose of your coming back.
I'm not derailing. I am right on track, mother.
I see.
It's so not in my shorts, right?
I will get you everything I know you like. Yes.
Bye.
I was expecting a hug. Come give me one. Come on. That is it, my darling.
Bye.
I'll see you when I get back, huh? Good.
Baby.
Stop it.
I am talking to you. Now you listen to me. I don't know who you are, and I don't bloody care. But let me tell you something. Whatever charm you've used on Obese is not going to work. Yes. Just so you know, I have been chosen by the queen to marry the prince and become queen after her. Nothing, absolutely nothing, not even you, is going to stop that.
Honestly, you're so funny. Girl, I do not know you. You don't even know me.
Oh, come on.
I don't have a problem whatsoever with you. If you do have a problem with the prince, why don't you try and sort it out and leave me out of your madness?
You call me madness?
Excuse me.
Come back here, I'm not done talking with you!
What's going on here? Helen, what nonsense are you doing?
what you and your mother have failed to do by allowing this peasant take my place in Obieze's heart. I don't like that.
Really?
Yes.
Now listen, let me tell you. My brother's heart is not up for some auctioning. He's a full-grown man and he's allowed to choose whoever he wants to be with. Stop this embarrassment, please.
Machi, you call this an embarrassment? You're joking.
Helen, you're being too childish. It hurts.
Yes! I am hurt! Machi, I am deeply hurt. That what I've worked for, what I've longed for, is threatening to be taken away by this low life. And you and your mother is doing nothing about it.
Enough! Helen, respect yourself. Please have some dignity. Excuse me.
Nobody is understanding me here. Even you, Machi.
Daddy, really, I know nothing about her disappearance. Who said me? I don't deserve this punishment. I don't deserve it at all.
Really?
Yes.
Perhaps the punishment is for the many evils you perpetrated in the past. Yes.
You know what, Dad? Whatever you want to do, just do it. Whatever. I don't care. Disown me. Send me out of the house, but just set me free so I can go figure out my life. I'm tired of all this rubbish.
Oh. Suddenly you now have a life to figure out.
Dad, really, this does not make sense. I mean, it does not make sense. Okay, look at it this way. Ezine chose her own path and walked away. Probably she's tired of all this and she chose her path and walked away, and let's just set me free. Set me free, please. I'm tired of staying at home.
Do you know why you are not cool enough in a police leg right now? Because Jonas gave me his words. He assured me that there will be a positive feedback in a few days. That's why you have the chance, the audacity to sit here and banter words with me.
You know what, Dad? I'm tired. Do whatever you want to do. See, I'll kill myself. I'll kill myself. I want to kill myself and I'll put your name in my suicide note and tell them that you're the one that killed me.
And I'm wondering what you're waiting for.
Dad, I don't even know the kind of father you are. What kind of father will trade his first daughter's birthright over some birthday wishes? In fact, I'll go and kill myself.
Now get out of my sight. Leave my presence!
I should go and kill myself.
Get out of my presence!
I don't know what my own is. I did not do anything.
You think you can cajole or pacify me with those your threats of killing yourself? You won't be the first or the last. Go ahead and kill yourself.
There is absolutely no need for your outburst and hatred towards that girl. I am totally disappointed in you, Helen.
My queen, I'm so sorry. But
nothing. You have depicted a character unworthy of a queen. You are the architect of your own doom. I have to send you to your mother.
oh, my queen, it hasn't gotten to that. I am deeply sorry for my actions. Please.
Learn how to take things easy. Whatever that is yours will surely come to you. Perhaps, if you had been of best behavior, the prince would not have noticed that girl. Lotachi! Lotachi!
Yes, my queen. God.
Help Helen pack her things. She'll be going back to her mother.
Queen, please. Okay, my queen.
Queen.
What are you still waiting for? Be gone.
Sorry.
Now.
Machi, you understand me, right? Is there nothing you can do for your friend?
I said be gone.
Oh my God!
That's mother. Why would you even choose a wife for the prince?
That is the right thing to do, my daughter. Your brother do not know a lot of people around here. So it will be hard for him to choose a befitting bride.
Really? Are you sure about that?
Of course.
We chose this one. Obviously, it didn't work. Mother, these things happen. They don't have any protocol.
You win.
I win.
My princess, she hardly eats. She hardly talks to anyone. If you should ask me, I think she's not comfortable with the environment.
Really?
Yes, my princess.
I think there is more to it than not just being comfortable.
Greetings, my prince.
Yes, you did.
Excuse me, my princess.
I think I like her.
Oh, yes. She's a very beautiful soul.
So, what's the plan?
Plan?
I see the way you look at her, brother.
Prophetess. You don't see things, huh?
Come on, brother. Let it out.
Well, I do not know what you're talking about.
Well, I'm happy mother has finally accepted her. And she's happy too. Maybe it's high time we send her back to her people. Shoot your shot. Now that's Ellie.
Please, my prince. I honestly do not want to go. I beg of you.
So what are your plans now?
I can do anything for you. I can be anything, my prince. I can be your maid. I can be your cook. I can even be your cleaner. I can do anything for you, but I do not want to go back to my father's house. Please.
Mother.
Greetings, my queen.
Isn't it right?
Yes, ma.
Who did you say is your father?
Chief Stanley Okechukwu.
I know him. Why would he allow his daughter descend this level of shame?
This is unusual. Run for your life. Run. This is danger. Dangerous. This is unusual. Run. I smell something bad. This is danger. I smell dangerous. with my heart. Obiko, Obiko, beware of non-gun man. Whatever you do, remember, non-gun man. Yeah, everywhere, looking at you like a mirror, uninvited.
Greetings, my prince. You're welcome.
Can you please explain this? You know you have to go home.
No, my prince. They do not deserve me in that house.
You don't have to say that. It is obvious your father misses you so much.
If I must return to that house, my prince, then that will be on one condition.
Which is?
That you accept the money.
Of course you know I don't need that money.
I know that you do not need this money, my prince. But the truth is that you deserve it. You worked for it. Besides, you've been taking good care of me. I know, my prince, that you really do not need this money. But you can use it and help a few people around you. I really need you to take the money.
It's alright. Okay? Now let's go inside and start making plans on how to take you back home. Alright?
Mm.
So how have you been?
I'm sorry I didn't tell you.
I wish you nothing but the best. I wish you nothing more but the best. Never worry, this is not the end of the road. Don't fight, cause it's not your battle. Cause your future is bright. Your future is bright. You can read the handwriting on the road. You can read it. Your love is waiting for you. Someone is in love with you. Never you mind them. You will find someone that will love you, love you, love you. Never you mind them. You will find someone that will love you, love you, love you. Never you mind them. You will find someone that will love you, love you.
Oh, my baby. My child, you're home, safe. Oh. Welcome home.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
No, Mom.
So on that fateful day, I ran into Ezinne on the road. She was on the verge of committing suicide. But I stopped her. And then I took her home and took good care of her. The rest, let's say, is history.
Thank you very much, son. The good Lord will continue to bless you more.
God bless you too, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome, mother. One more thing. See, I practically returned home to assume the throne of my late father as king. And so my elders have requested that I present to them a woman who will be my queen, as tradition requires. Yes. So, I want to present Izine to my elders. I want to make Izine here my wife.
Obieze.
Hey! Impossible!
Again? Again? Not again.
Mom? What is wrong with my sister?
Darling, the few weeks I've spent with you have been very memorable. I want more. Please. Please be my queen. So together, we can lead my people to greatness.
Please get up.
I will. Only if you accept my proposal.
Yes.
This is great news for our family.
Yes.
Finally, my princess Ezine is getting married. As for the pledge I made for my daughters, the moment you and Ezine complete your marriage process, I'll give you a check of 10 million naira.
Thank you so much.
And for the curfew, I hereby lift it off.
Thank you, Daddy.
This is good for all of us.
Very good.
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much, Ma.
You're welcome, son.
Thank you.
Remember, you cannot run faster than your shadow. You are the smartest, you are the sharpest. Know that, know your but remember, Chukwu with any name, but remember, Chukwu with
Meet me at Club 29 at exactly 2:45 p.m.
You are out for this fight. Baby. You are out for this war. You are out for this fight. Out for this war. Baby. You are out for this war. Shabby, you are out for this war. What does it go with for this fight? Baby. Hustle and baby. You are out for this war. You are out for this war. You are out for this fight. Baby. You are out for this war. This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy.
Papa, you're welcome. You see, I had to take a leap of faith, see where it landed me. He is my man. I'm so sorry. Pardon my manners. Baby, this is Mabel, my best friend. Mabel, my man Prince Obieze. Oh. I'm so sorry because I'm so excited.
Nice to meet you, Mabel.
Thank you. Thank you. Does that mean you will be called a Lolo? No, a queen. A soon-to-be queen. My friend is a clown. Don't mind her.
Darling, is your dad inside?
Yes, he is.
Okay, I need to have a word with him, okay?
Okay.
I'll see you guys. Nice to meet you.
Same here, my prince. He is cute, isn't he? Yes, he is. I was just thinking the way he was saying, my name is Prince. You know what, baby girl? The Persian dog eats the fattest bone. Yes, I have been patient enough.
You have! All hail Her Majesty. You will live long.
You will live long too.
Hi!
You're a fool. Come, let's take this. No. Not again. Not again. Not again. Hello? Hello, Machi. Please, have you been able to reach him over the phone? What? What is Okay, thank you. What is going on? Peradventure, I find out that Obioma and Adak were at it again. I swear, heaven bear me witness, blood will flow.
Mother, the worst has happened. What is it? Obieze has been kidnapped.
What? The Obieze that was supposed to be here for us to go for his next introduction?
Exactly, Mom.
Oh my God.
I just got a call that he has been kidnapped.
By who?
I don't know, Mom. What do we do?
Hey.
What do we do?
I don't know.
Mom, what do you mean you don't know? What?
Who's there? I know you're here. But listen, whosoever sent you on this mission, I'm sure knows you cannot kill me. Yes. You can stop me from being king of this kingdom. You can only delay it, but I must be king. So you better let me go now. Just let me go. I'm ready to pay you anything you want. Just let me go. I advise you to let me go now. Please.
We'll see to that.
What are you talking about? What have you not done to me? What have you not taken away from me? Look, leave her alone. Where is my man? She did not sense. What is wrong with you? She's innocent. Who did it? Leave her alone. Did you take my man away?
I have nothing to do with your man or fiancé or whatever.
Then where is he? Where is my man? Don't take your man into the camp.
What have I done to you people in this house?
It's in the camp. Where is he? Haven't you done enough to me? Haven't you done enough to me? Stop! We haven't done enough to me. Where is my man? What is all this?
What is going on here? Get out of my way. Let me finish it once and for all. Let me end the life of these two miserable idiots. I say get out of my way. Is it her fault that she's lucky to find a man who loves her? What is your problem? Get out of my way.
Why am I even begging you? Shoot them! Mommy! No, kill all of us! I blame you for all of this. I've been begging you to denounce that your stupid birthday wish, but you refused.
Mommy, it has nothing to do with their evil minds. It has absolutely nothing to do with their evil minds. Where is my man? Provide my son right now. You finally kidnapped him.
And you think I will not find out? For your information, the police are already on their way. And they will arrest each and every one of you. The entire people in this house. So provide my son! Provide my son! I said provide my son.
Guy, wetin dey talk?
This one. Just the talk say he can pay us any amount.
Bros, come, I don't understand. Money how? It's that money thing we dey do here. Huh? No wait, like it is this thing not about money. Come on, that it in Jesus' name. Amen.
Hey, listen, I am ready to pay any amount. Okay, I'm ready to pay any amount, so I just leave this place and go home. I need to go.
Come, you the Jones, so. Huh? Do you know what these people did to me? They sacked me without payment. Dumped me and abandoned my mother to die in the hospital. See, bros, we need to do all this one. As you dey here now, what you just the hungry me now to kill you, harvest your kidney, and use it and rescue my mother. Damn shit.
No. Listen, you can't do that to me. Come on. I am the future king of this kingdom. You can't just kill me for nothing. Okay, listen, I am ready to pay any amount. Okay, so we can get your mother fixed. I'm ready to pay any amount to get any donor to donate a kidney to your mother.
You say what?
Yes, I will do that. I have money.
Okay, that it! Come on, Father, in Jesus' name.
Okay. How much did they say kidney? You see, I never run this balloon before now. I did say now I be the bad boys. I will be bad, but my phone. I don't do small ones. You never do kidney thing now. Aye. Kidney.
You see, Ramba? This is not be Okamedu. Na kuru. Now once we shoot, they kill 4 person.
Please don't kill me. Please don't
You go give us 2 million. No be us. You know for the settlement I will do. You go give me 2 million. Make I use do the transplant.
2 million small.
You dey mad? Which of the 2 million? I go shoot you.
Consider it all. Consider it. I have the money.
Now 2 million, no.
I have it. I will pay 2 million. I will pay the whole money. 2 million. It's a whole lot of money, but don't worry, I will pay. I will pay.
Some. You understand that, man? Some.
Say 5 million.
5 million. I am at the hospital. My mother kidney will find.
What? And so I used the 2 million naira you paid me for finding your daughter to rescue myself from your embattled staff. So you see, it wasn't your daughters who kidnapped me, but your staff. Sir, please bless this union. Bless us. Bless my love and I, so we can finally be happy together.
And again, Father, I am no longer interested in the money you promised to give the first person to get married. You can share the money amongst my sisters. I just want us to be happy. All I want is peace and unity in our family.
Just a few steps forward and down on your knees. I bless this union with so much love, joy and happiness, with lots of children, with so much money to sustain your relationship.
I think you all should go inside while I handle this.
Are you sure, honey?
Oh yes, I will. Huh? I will. Go inside, everyone. I will take care of it, son. It is time for you to do your job. Find Bomboy.
Yes, please.
Very well.
Remember, you cannot run faster than your shadow. You are the smartest, you are the sharpest. Know that, know your wow. But remember, Chukwu with any name. But remember, Chukwu with a.
Hey, Abi keke mano. Go down. Hey. Shut up.
Mama.
Hey.
Mama.
Ewo. Shut up. Mr. Boy, you are under arrest for kidnapping and threat to life. You have the right to remain silent. Oh, Yanis!
Come over. Come over. Come on, wait. Move it. Stand up, my friend. Yeah. Like this. Move it.
Never you mind them. You will find someone that will love you, love you, love you. Never you mind them. You will find someone that will love you, love you, love you. Never you mind them. You will find someone that will love you, love you, love you. Never you mind them. You will find someone that will love you, love you, love you. I wish you nothing but the best. I wish you nothing more but the best. Never worry, this is not the end of the road. Don't fight, cause it's not your battle. Cause your future is bright. Your future is bright. You can read the handwriting on the road. You can read it. Your love is waiting for you. Someone is in love with you. Never you mind them. You will find someone that will love you, love you, love you. Never you mind them. You will find someone that will love you, love you, love you. Never you mind them. You will find someone that will love you, love you, love you. Never you mind them. You will find someone that will love you, love you, love you. Sisi, my dear, shall we are born loving each other? Oh, my sisters, my dear, I thought we were born loving each other. What is all this? What came over you, guys? What is all this? Why do you want to kill this family?